Challenge, and it's your boy Marlson.
It's your boy Mars.
Elston. And Rawson. Today is a special day because we have our cousin named Ekis.
Para patiti kita yek. Amo to das may nasin. Orang raga. Yari riap to.
Challenge.
First off, we have some gelatin dessert. Limon, right?
Limon.
Limon.
And then next up we have Laffy Taffy, the sour ones.
Then we got some sour Jolly Ranchers. Yeah.
And we have the Sour Patch Kids.
And then we have extreme sour fruit chews.
And then we have the extreme sour warheads.
And then finally we have gummy worms, the sour ones. So
let's get this challenge started.
Alright guys, so this is what's going to happen. They will be rating the candies or the gummies and which ones are more sour. So you'll be rating it from 1 to 10, okay? Alright. Excuse me, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's start right now and let's get going.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's start with the first one. What do we have on the first one?
The extreme sour gummy ones.
Okay, let's all go ahead and take your piece. Okay.
No.
No?
Zero.
So what do you think? Huh? Zero?
Zero.
Okay. Wow. Okay, then let's move on to the next one. Alright, so it looks like the first one was not that bad. So let's get to the second one. So what do we have?
The sour Jolly Ranchers.
Jolly Ranchers. Alright, go ahead everybody.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
What, zero?
Uh-huh.
One?
Zero.
One for you, Ekis?
Zero.
What about you, Mars? Zero. Elston?
Zero.
Wow.
Wow.
You guys are tough. Alright. Alright, let's move on to the third one. Wow. So, even on the second one, it's still zero.
Alright.
Except for Ekis. So what do we have on the third one?
Up next we have Laffy Taffy with sour flavors.
Laffy Taffy. Alright, let's Laffy Taffy those candy down. So remember guys, on the first and second, it's still 0, 0, 0, 0. So now on the third one.
Zero.
Seriously?
This tastes normal.
Wow. What about you, Rawson?
Zero. I did 9.
Really?
Because it doesn't.
Okay. Wow. I'm pretty impressed.
10.
What about you, Mars?
0.
0. Wow. Okay. Well, it looks like these guys are really dominating this challenge. Okay, let's move on to this, what, fourth?
Next we have
Nice.
Watermelon.
All right, Sour Patch watermelon.
Oh, take this.
All right, let's
Zero.
see. Don't be conceited, dude.
Zero.
Huh?
Zero.
Show off. Really?
No, really, zero. I ate this all the
Rosin,
time.
what do you think?
Zero.
What about you, Elston? Mars,
0.
you?
0.
Wow. Are you guys serious?
Huh?
Wow, okay. All right. If you say so, let's move on to the fifth.
We have now and later's extreme sour fruit chews.
All right, let's get to it. Come on. Let's see what you guys think about that.
I think this is gonna be sour. Hopefully this is sour. Yeah.
Why?
Oh. Okay. Oh, there's paper on it. Good. You eat it? You ate it with the paper in it?
Okay, what do you think now?
Oh.
2.
2?
Mine can't. Okay. Zero.
0.
What do you think, Marlson? Don't cover your face.
No. 5.
Imagine that lemon. Oh.
5?
Oh, 5.
You sure?
Because he ate the whole thing.
I ate the whole thing too. Yeah, 5. Oh.
4? Wouldn't that look at this?
Oh. Okay. 4. No, 5.
Okay, 5. So everybody says what?
2. Oh, he said 0.
So Mars and Ekis said it's 2. Rawson said it's what? 2. Helston,
0.
Helston 0, and your boy Marlson 5. Oh, okay,
It was so sour.
okay. All right, so let's move on to the
Oh.
what, 6th or 7th?
6.
6th. Okay. Stay tuned, everybody.
Okay, for this one we have the extreme sour warheads.
All right, so go ahead, guys. Let's see.
I'm so scared.
I'm gonna rate this. I know what I'm gonna rate this one, even though I didn't even taste it yet.
Don't cover your face. We want to see your reaction. Just put it in your mouth.
Biting it.
Take the whole thing and put it in your mouth. Don't cover your face.
Ten.
That's not that bad. 5.
10.
Oh.
10.
7.
Huh?
7. Dude.
So what do you think?
4.
4?
What? What else did he said 4?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Ah!
How
You
about
think it's 4, but your face tells me it's 20.
Not 20.
How about you?
Oh. 100 for him.
All right. Okay.
Mine.
So what do you think, Marlon?
10.
Then what about you, Ekis?
7.
7. You, Rasen?
4.
Another 4 for you? What about you, Mars?
5.
5. And you, Elston, is you got 4?
Yeah.
So only Marlon thinks that it's 10. Okay, let's move on to the next challenge then.
For this round, we have sour warheads mixed with the gelatin dessert lime.
Limon. All right, guys, go ahead. Let's see.
Mine's the blue one. Mine's the blue one. Mine's this one. Hey, thanks, bro.
Just work it on your tongue. Don't chew on it. Work it on your tongue.
Not that bad.
Don't cover your mouth, your face.
10.
What Ekis? What do you think?
5.
Again, 5?
I said 7 last time.
7 last time and this time it's 5? Huh?
Yeah.
So it's not as sour as the first time? Oh my goodness.
2.
With you, Marlon, it's 2?
No,
Huh?
not that sour with this.
Yeah. It's not sour.
No, it's sour. It's sour.
Really?
2.
Wow, you guys are weird.
I bet gelatin. Gelatin
Okay.
means good in Spanish.
All right, for the last challenge is stay tuned. All right, guys, so we have come to the last part of the challenge, and this is the ultimate challenge. This would entail, or this is gonna be the lime ultimate challenge, and we're gonna ask everybody to please go ahead and each one of you take your lime, take your piece. Don't put it in your mouth yet.
The big one.
So this is the rule for this challenge. When you put it in your mouth, you have to chew it. Chew it for 1 minute or 30 seconds.
Okay, I'll go with 30 seconds.
Yeah.
1 minute. 1
All
minute.
right.
5 seconds.
But when you put it in your mouth and you chew on it, make sure that you're facing the camera so we all see your
No,
reaction.
30 seconds.
Okay?
Yep.
Marlon, you talk too much. Pay attention. Okay? So on the count of 3, 1, and 3, go. Chew, 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 chew. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Don't try to act tough. Just chew, 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 chew. Chew on that
I can't
line.
talk so. I'm done. Yeah, man.
Ekis, you're done?
Yeah.
Alright, what about you, Mars? Who's done? So you do realize that whoever comes first, you still need to eat some more, right? That's the new rule for this challenge. So, Ekis, I need you to come over here and grab a piece of this lime.
Done.
Alright.
You're gonna have to help me.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Mars, go ahead and help them.
What?
Give it to Mars.
Oh!
Oh, so now it's burning. Excuse me, where are you going?
I'm done.
Where do you think you're going?
I can eat another one. Another one.
Alright, so you're all done? Are you all done? So what do you guys think about that?
It's a 20.
What Marl said?
It was a 20.
It's a 20?
Yep.
Okay. So what do you guys think about this challenge overall? What do you think?
I think it was sour.
Huh?
I think it was sour.
Which one was
He
the
said
worst?
1,000.
This one. This one's the worst for me.
As far as all the candy,
Or lime.
as far as the candy, which one is more sour?
Warheads.
This one and
Warheads
And
lime.
lime.
and the lime.
Yes.
All right.
Could in my mouth.
All right, well, good job, guys. Do you guys have any special shout out to your fans, which are your family.
And people say,
Shout out to C9 for supporting us and all of you guys.
And Sissy.
And Kamara. And remember, when we reach 100 subscribers, you guys are getting merch. Oh.
We're not even there yet, Marlon. What are you talking
I
about?
said when we were out.
We don't, yeah, but we don't even have the merch yet. In your dream.
No, it's not. It's
Okay.
real.
Okay.
It's gonna be real.
Okay, all right. Well, that's your boy Marlon. He's being serious. So look out for those merch, people. What about you, Rasim? Do you have any shout out?
To my boys Mark and Kainoa for doing that dance before baby's birthday.
Well, okay, wait. I don't understand that. You said your boys, Mark and Kainoa, so that you have kids already?
No.
But you just said for dancing for the babies, so you mentioned babies again. So, all right. What about you, Elston? Do you have any shout out?
Sissy, Kamara, Mark, Kanoa, C9, and Larson, Arden.
I don't have
All right. Well, thank you very much. We'll get back. We'll come back to you next time. Mars. That's okay. Thank you very much.
Dude, right.
Mars, do you have any shout out?
I got
With an
Answer.
answer.
Alex, Junior, EY, Emilio. Yeah.
Oh my.
All right.
And Andy Sandy.
What about you, Ekis? Do you have any special shout out to your family, your friends, your whatever? What? You got anybody in special? Who?
This son, Elwin.
All right. Well, thank you very much for being part of this challenge once again. And we'd like to thank everybody for tuning in, and thank you so much for supporting our channel. And once again, don't forget to click that or smash that like button and subscribe. And make sure to tell your friends and share and like and subscribe. All right.
Subscribe 100.
Okay. Thank you very much. Peace.
Throw that in my mouth.